Guys, I don't know about you, but there's like nothing worse than your laundry not smelling well after, or smelling kind of gross after you've washed it. That's really annoying. So I like this product a lot because it's not trying to like mask a smell. It's not putting fragrance on top of your laundry to give it like a different type of scent. This will actually eliminate odors. And it's formulated for like really hard odors, like whether it be like the mold that maybe happens in your washer, your wash, and then it gets kind of gross smelling, or like if you have to wash like bedding that has like urine on it or something like that, like something, just odors that just stink, right? Like athletes, like if your kid is like really athletic and they just start to have, their clothes just start to smell, like I know my son's jerseys, like ugh. So this is really good to eliminate that. It is biodegradable. It is made in the United States, so things that I look for, it's non-toxic. So these are all the things that I look for when I'm buying a product. Again, it doesn't like add a fragrance. It's not like it's going to be fresh scent and lavender. It does have a tiny scent to it, but it's a clean, simple, like under the radar type of smell. It's more just to like eliminate odors. So really cool. It's like some technology. You can read about it. It's zero odor laundry breakthrough technology. So you can read about that technology part of it. I don't really fully understand it, but I think that's really cool. It works in any type of washer. So you just put it in with your laundry detergent. It gives you the amount that you're supposed to put in based off of, like how smelly your clothes are. I just kind of do a couple squirts and that works. So I like the package. It just fits like really nicely in my laundry room. It doesn't take up too much space. I hate when things take up too much space, so I like that about this. So if you're looking for something to help with like the smells in your clothes, in your laundry, your towels, whatever, definitely pick this up.